guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Jessica. Today we're going to be doing an update review on the Coach Tabby bag that I purchased a few months ago. Just want to give you guys an updated opinion on it, how I've been feeling about it since I've worn it, and just get my honest opinion about, is it something you should purchase? Is it something that I would repurchase? And I just felt like I wanted to do this update because everyone loved my first video. If you haven't seen it, I'll definitely have it in the description box down below. If you're new to my channel, my name is Jessica. I make Mommy Monday videos. I do hair tutorials and I talk about luxury goods. If it's something that interests you, please subscribe to my channel. Give this video a thumbs up if you love this type of content. And guys, if you're already a subscriber, hit that notification bell so you won't miss any of my videos. Follow me on Instagram so we can stay connected. I post on there pretty much every day, real life type of things, being a mom, lifestyle stuff. It's the same for the love of Jessica. Okay, we're gonna get into the video, guys. So I purchased the Coach Tabby bag in this really beautiful lime kind of color. I forget the exact name. It is the Pillow Tabby. I got the small size. It comes in two sizes. This particular color only comes in the small size. I felt like with the price point, I can kind of go out on a limb and go outside of my comfort zone. So this isn't the typical color that I would kind of gravitate to, but I felt like I really wanted to have fun. The price point was approachable. I just felt like I really wanted to kind of make a statement with this piece. It's kind of understated with the C. I love that fact about Coach and how they redesign this bag and just, kind of really made it kind of this, understated, but kind of in your face, interesting with the puffy like C and the beautiful leather. Coach is known for their leather. I've done a collaboration with them in the past. I have a video on that, on their saddle bag. I just really love the brand. I feel like, it's a brand that a lot of people don't talk about, but I feel like they are continue to stay true to themselves. I love how they've kind of made a comeback. The store that's in Manhattan is really beautiful. It's 2 stores. They do monogramming at the store. If you never visit Manhattan and went to 5th Avenue, Coach has a store in Manhattan. And I love visiting there. There is a cardigan that I've actually been eyeing from Coach that I want to get. And so I love the brand. As far as with this bag, would I repurchase this piece? And I would say no. And it's really me. It's not the bag, to be honest. And a few comments on my last video, someone was saying when they got it, they were so surprised at how small it is. I did a video, like the last video, on what fits inside. And it fits a good amount of things inside, guys. It fits my phone, perfect. Keys and cards, and that's about it. I am a mom, and I always talk about how my lifestyle requires me to carry kind of like a medium to large bag, and that's just like every day pretty much, because I just need like a few more things than usual when I'm doing the pickup for them, like after school or dropping them off. Sometimes I can get away with a smaller bag, but this type of piece right here, it just wasn't something that I grabbed often to do the drop off. I gravitated to like my more neutral navy, black, nude, camel color bags. And I think with this color, me trying to go outside the box and kind of force myself to really, do something different. What was it was a hit, but mainly a miss. Because I felt like if I was on a vacation or I was dressing up and being very intentional about pairing this color with pieces, I just felt like it just stood out and it just wasn't really like my style. So that's really kind of how I feel about the color and just what fits inside, guys. It's super small. Like, it's a small bag. And I feel like, to be honest, if I was to do a purchase of another Tabby, I would definitely get the bigger size in the, I think it's like the cream color. It's the light color. I definitely wouldn't get black. I have too many really great black bags that I think I would have chosen before that one. I think I would have got the cream color. And to be honest, it's still on my like radar. I've been thinking about getting that for Christmas, adding it on my list of like things people can get me for Christmas. But I think the next size up would have been perfect for me. I think I would have worn it more. To be honest, I probably grabbed this bag probably like 3 times since I purchased it. And it was always kind of like those things where I'm like, I'm forcing myself to get it. And I feel like it's more on me, guys. Let me know how you feel if you own the Coach Pillow Tabby in this size, if you got this color, if you're interested in this color, or what color did you get and you feel like you were, you know, being true to yourself and you found like that you actually love it and you get a lot of wear out of it. I feel like most people that wore this bag a lot are the ones that got the next size up, the medium to large size, because like it's only come in 2 sizes. I think the next size up would have been like best for me, but this size is just way too small for me, guys. I love a small bag. I have a few small bags. I have the bag I wear every day, and it's like my ride or die, and it's horrible that I wear this bag out so much, is the Hermes Evelyn in the TPM size. And it pretty much fits. Like, it fits a little bit more than this, I realize, because I put like a lot of stuff in that bag. But this one is just, once I put my phone and my keys and I put a few cards in the back, guys, like that's it. You know, these days I want to put a mask in there. I want to put my hand sanitizer for the kiddos. We're on the way, like just going out and about, maybe to Target, to grocery store somewhere, and I can't do that. So it really hinders me from really being able to, you know, do the things that I need and really be ready for the day. So yeah, guys, this bag I would not purchase again in this color. Definitely no. I realize this is not for me, and I would definitely not purchase this size. I'm in the market for the next size up in the cream color. I feel like it's so beautiful, and I feel like when I looked at that one, I should have just went on and pulled the trigger, even though lots of people have that one. I see they add like a little gold chain on it. But yeah, guys, it's a miss for me. Like, I'm actually looking to probably give this to my sister. I have my younger sister. So, but for me, it's not working out. But let me know what you guys think about the Pillow Tabby, if it's something that you're still in the market for. I know when it first launched, everyone was interested in it, and it had a really strong launch. Like everybody, all the influencers had it. I actually would go to the store and I see people with it. I still see people wearing it, which is amazing. You know, I love that Coach is making a comeback, an affordable bag, you know, that's not over $1,000 or like $900 or $800. I love that, a full leather bag for this price point. I love that people who are influencers, you know, gravitated to this piece, taking that. Coach is not really known for being a true luxury brand. It's more like an everyday kind of lax brand. It's something that even when I was in high school, I was able to purchase Coach because I had a job. Like the sneakers that had like the monogram on it, and like the little Coach bags and stuff. I actually been on Trazy looking for like a vintage Coach backpack because the leather, like I said, is amazing, and the vintage pieces were just gorgeous, and they still look really rustic even when they get scratches on it and the leather kind of gets worn on the edges. I love that about them. But yeah, guys, this one in this color and this size was a miss. I hope that you found this video helpful. I hope you found it interesting. I just wanted to give an updated review on my Coach Pillow Tabby in the lime color in the small, and just let you guys know that for me and my lifestyle, it didn't really work out. The moms out there, I don't think you will probably like this piece. The people who really have to carry around some serious things, and you know, no. No. But guys, again, I still love the idea of this bag, but I think the next size up I would probably like really feel like I would get my use out of. But yeah, I hope you found this video interesting, guys, and helpful. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, guys, and follow me on Instagram. Until next time, have a great day, guys.